Ultimate guide to pairing fruits and vegetables for a healthy diet. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. We'll explore the wonderful world of pairing fruits and vegetables for a healthy and satisfying diet. Before we get into the tasty combinations, let's talk about why it's a great idea to mix fruits and vegetables in your meals. Fruits and vegetables offer a wide range of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, and when combined, they create a harmonious balance of flavors and nutrients. Plus, it's an excellent way to add more color to your plate. Now, let's delve into some fantastic fruit and vegetable pairings that will tantalize your taste buds. First up, we have the classic combination of spinach and strawberries. The sweetness of strawberries complements the earthy taste of spinach perfectly. Try them in a salad with a balsamic vinaigrette for a burst of flavor. Avocado and mango are another delightful duo. Creamy avocado and sweet, juicy mango create a tropical fusion that's not only delicious but also packed with healthy fats and vitamins. Pairing 3. Apples and carrots. Apples and carrots are a crunchy combo that's great for snacking. Apples add a touch of sweetness, while carrots provide that satisfying crunch. Dip them in peanut butter for an extra treat. Now that you know some classic pairings, let's get creative with some recipes that feature these fruit and vegetable combos. For a refreshing salad, toss spinach and sliced strawberries with some feta cheese and a balsamic vinaigrette. It's a perfect side dish or even a light meal on its own. Whip up a vibrant avocado-mango salsa by mixing diced avocado, mango, red onion, cilantro, and lime juice. It's fantastic on grilled chicken or as a dip with tortilla chips. For a healthy dessert or snack, bake some apple-carrot muffins. These moist and flavorful treats combine grated apples and carrots for a tasty, nutrient-packed bite. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to keep in mind when pairing fruits and vegetables. Aim for a variety of colors to maximize the range of nutrients. Balance sweetness with savory by adding herbs, spices, or a squeeze of citrus. Experiment with different textures to create interesting contrasts. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to pairing fruits and vegetables for a healthy diet. Mixing these natural treasures can be a fun and delicious way to boost your nutrition and add excitement to your meals. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, a colorful plate is a healthy plate. Until next time, happy eating.